In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a product demo with Claude Design. First step is go to claude.ai/design and then select prototype. Give it a name. I'll just call it product video. And then enter this prompt. For the prompt to Claude, you should give several information. First, the key features of your product. Here I'm entering the key feature being high intent leads on LinkedIn and autonomous outreach with human approval. And the second, you should give more context. Here I'm giving the core value proposition, the key products and service, the pricing, expected performance, and additional information. You don't have to give all, but the more you give, it's better for Claude to understand the context. Third, what's really important is give a few screenshots so that Claude Design understand your style and can match the video theme with your existing style on the page. For example, in this case, I'm adding a few screenshots here about the campaign setup with human approval layer. Second, several LinkedIn profiles supported. Third, a few signals including job change, hiring, new leadership, new funding. Fourth, the ICP analysis. Last, the social listening within the past 24 hours. So after these 5 screenshots, we'll let Claude Design to work on it. Then Claude will want us to verify some details. For example, how long should this video be? In what tone and vibe? SAS. What visual aesthetic? I'll choose the dark. And then the core palette direction, core narrative. What features should the video highlight? I want to highlight 2 features. First is high intent signals for quality leads, especially on LinkedIn. Second is autonomous LinkedIn SDR with human approval. Of course, you should enter your key features. And then who's the audience? Actually, both founder and SDR, but I'll just do founder here, especially for the smaller teams. And then should we mock the product UI in the video? Yes. For the end card call to action, I want to call out the audience to start a 7-day free trial. Music, slow and cinematic. How many variations? Just one. Anything specific? Not really. Then click start. Claude Design will then start making this video by generating the JavaScript file. So this one is actually pretty different from the previous AI video generation tools, whether it's Sora or Gemini. For those, you cannot really control the text, and there's usually a lot of hallucinations around text. But in the case of Claude Design, it's actually generating the HTML, the web page first, and then add the animation based on that, which makes the video a lot more usable. After the video is generated, it does not have any background music or audio in it. And another thing to note is that it does not support exporting the file as a video format, and I'm using QuickTime Player, which is free. After the video is recorded, I'm going to name it and export it. The next step is adding the audio, and for that I'm using Gemini. I uploaded the video to Gemini and give it this prompt. Analyze the video scene by scene, and then give me a series of descriptions. An important thing to note is that to make sure the timestamp and demo script are matching the time, after enhancing the demo script, the length of the video script matches the visual exactly, and this will save you so much work for future editing. The next step is to turn this script into audio, and I'm using 11 Labs. The free trial is good enough for you to generate several scripts. And here I'm using Cody, the keyword being lively, energetic, and charismatic. And I'm turning it into a faster pace than default option. After the audio is generated, which is actually pretty crisp, I'm going to put the audio here and it matches the visual almost perfectly. Alright, the next step is adding the background music and sound effect. The background music, look for sound effect for product demo, no copyright. Then here I found a list. Oh, this one is pretty lively. I like this one. Okay, now I've added this piece of music. Here's the full product video. Enjoy.
Imagine waking up every day to an inbox full of warm, responsive leads. First, our AI agent defines your ideal customer. Next, deploy signal agents. Choose specific buying triggers to catch leads the exact moment they're ready. Instantly view your ranked leads to see exactly who is most ready to buy right now. Our AI then steps in, drafting highly personalized outreach based on the exact signal triggered. But you stay in control. Simply review your queue, approve with one click, and send. Get more meetings and less noise. Start your free 7-day trial today.